Alright guys, we just completed the job in Los Angeles. I'm here with another team leader, Lester. We both did this job, completed this job today. This is a pergola here, and this pergola has handles that move and closes and opens here. You can see the wheels there. And these back here are just panels that don't move, that's screwed on. So they have the option to open these, all these four here, or open and close it. They want more sun, or they want more shade. This came out super nice.
All the way around.
Everything's level, nice. There's the label over there. You can barely see it, but right there in the corner. And there you go, guys. See you guys in the next one. Thank you.